Good morning, all. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to filter in a pivot table using slicer tool in a Microsoft Excel. Other topics like creation of pivot table and so on have been uploaded by other students in the YouTube channel. So this is my Excel sheet. I had created a simple one to demonstrate you for in a simple way. So in this table, we have 4 columns: product, price, quantity, and total. And the table you are seeing in the right is a pivot table. And the pivot table consists of 2 columns: product and sum of the total. So now we are going to see how to add a slicer. To add a slicer, first we want to click on the pivot table. So when we click the pivot table, we will get an option in the top called pivot table analysis. In this tab, we can see an option called insert slicer. Click on that. When we click on that, a new box appears where we have some options called product, price, quantity, total, which is the column of the table that we have created first. So from this box, we can select the column which we wanted to filter from the table. So if we want the product, we can select the product so that we can filter from that column. After selecting the needed column, we should click OK. When we click OK, we will get the slicer tool which the column we are already selected. In the slicer tool, we will get the values of the column which we have selected already. Now we can select the required rows from the selected column. For example, if we want to select only the back column, we should click on the back so that they will filter only the back row. So we can select one row or multiple rows from the slicer tool. To select the multiple rows, we should click Ctrl and select which all rows we need from the slicer tool. Or we can select multiple rows by clicking an option called multi-select in the top right corner of the slicer tool. I hope you all understood how to filter pivot table using slicer tool in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.